You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app.
For this operation, get hold of the Cabin HEPA Plus cabin filter that you can find in the video description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. To access the cabin filter, you must remove the glove box. Open the passenger door for easy access. Open the glove box. On the right-hand side, move the retaining tab away from the cover. Remove the glove box by pulling on it delicately. Remove the cabin filter housing by pressing on the tab. Then remove the filter.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Before putting the filter back in place, it is important to clean it properly by vacuuming any remaining impurities that may remain in the filter compartment. There are 3 types of cabin filter. The white one are for pollen, while the black ones are for active carbon. The first one is used to stop dust, while the second one will also filter out smells and gases. A new generation of filter has appeared on the market. In addition to pollen and smells, this technology allows the filtration of very fine particles, often the cause of allergies. Even if they are a little more expensive, they are probably the best option. The choice is yours. Put the filter back in place on its support, making sure to check the airflow direction. The arrows should point downwards. Put the cover back on. Put the glove box lid back in place by clipping it back on. Refit the cover's retaining tab. Close the cover. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.